Hey, look, so we got the News 12 here. Yeah, so we bought this shop in April, earlier this year, so about 8 months ago. We want to put a bunch of money right out of the gate. And so we renovated the waiting room, we painted the entire building. I'll show some pictures here on the screen of what it looked like before. It needed a ton of love. Kind of in the past, we used to wait. We'd say, hey, like, let's get the store going. Let's, like, I don't know, delay. And then maybe a year or two later, we make the investment. But in this one, we decided, literally the day we bought it, we started tearing this whole waiting room apart. So this whole room was bright yellow. This hallway over here was, I want to say it came out to about, it was something like this. You could barely walk through. We widened this to make it, ADA compliant. And then here, a lot of what we did was just simplify a lot. Often when we come into these stores, there's just a ton of clutter, there's a ton of crap. And our philosophy is like, we want nice, clean stores. And so we took down all the racking, we painted this whole thing. I think we replaced the roof or did a bunch of repairs to the roof. It just didn't look good and it doesn't feel good. And people don't want to work in an environment that feels like really neglected. And so, our belief is we invest a bunch of money, we make it a fun place to work. It's easier to hire and retain great mechanics, which is ultimately what makes this whole business work here. So this is the other part of today. Midas Corporate is documenting this whole thing in terms of giving away this car. This is part of like a nationwide program that we've done for years. We've given away multiple cars. It's called Project Spark, and so they've got a professional video crew here who are going to be recording the whole thing. They're interviewing the family, interviewing our team. Recording us, like fixing the video, doing all that stuff. Yeah, so we're gonna be here kind of behind the scenes watching it all happen. Making a movie. We're movie magic right here. Showing all the parts that we stuck on this car.
All right, the man of the hour.
There he is.
Give us 2 minutes. All right. We'll put that in.
He left immediately.
Yeah, he's like, I just want to show you the bathroom.
Okay.
This isn't weird, I promise.
Okay, I'm rolling.
Merry Christmas.
With the toilet right next to it.
Yeah, it's...
Customer bathroom?
Yeah, no. Shop bathroom.
Shop bathroom.
Inside?
The thumb break. It still looks weird.
Well, it's because he's got to spin this thing up. He's got it on the left side. I don't think it really matters.
I don't know if you see it spins up. I don't know how to. I'm not a bike expert. I'm a video guy.
What are we wrapping?
I saw some presents in the office.
There we go.
You got it?
Yeah.
I have one hand.
How's your wrapping skills? Let's see.
Mediocre.
You under gift wrap.
Just doing a bunch of them.
Doing it. Fatherhood.
Yeah. It's like a puzzle. What do we get? Chick-fil-A? Dude, I told you. Dude, I was like, I bet they're gonna get Chick-fil-A.
You have breakfast from there?
Yeah, we got biscuit
Oh,
sandwiches.
there's sandwiches too that we got from our deli too.
We got a whole lunch, a bunch of things to celebrate our team and just be grateful for the awesome work that they've been putting into this shop for the last 8 months now. We got this car, this Chrysler that we got donated. We fixed it up and we're giving it to her and her family who really need it. We have a whole bunch of gifts for their kids. Each one of them is getting something to say thank you and to give back to the community that we're so proud now to serve here.
The charity provides the car. We did about $7,000 worth of service, and then we partner with one of our suppliers who supplied the parts, and we gave it away to a single mom with 8 kids, 6 living with her.
All right. So what do we do to this car? Rear brakes, pads, rotors, calipers, front brake pads, rotors, air filter, cabin filter.
Is it like one of the biggest tickets you've seen? Yes, absolutely yes.
Yeah, I mean retail value $7,600.
Yeah, definitely
worth of
is
work.
one of the biggest tickets.
Yeah, literally everything.
Definitely drives so much better. It 100% is reliable transportation and will definitely be a plus for somebody who really needs it.
Time for the grand reopening.
Again, more energy.
All right, time for the grand reopening. Is that a good shot?
Is that a cool shot?
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, I don't know with the balloons. It's got to be symmetrical.
Lift to cut the ribbon.
Yes.
This is for Brian.
That's for Brian?
Like my scissors? Look how crooked they are. Yeah, here, come here. Hey, look, so we got the News 12 here at our shop to kind of document and do a little story here about our grand reopening and everything we're doing here today. They just showed up. Yeah. How you doing? Hey, I'm Brian. I'm the owner. Welcome everyone to our grand reopening here in North Brunswick. You know, our family's been in the Midas business for 50 years next year, and you know, proud to be able to serve the communities, provide great service. Yeah, excited everyone kind of come out and support us here today. And thanks to Colin, Mona, you know, Herb, everyone here to really make this happen. So, all right, wish me luck here, guys. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, that's right. Here you go, Mona.
Yeah, it's good.
We're gonna need that for.
You got it. I'm keeping my car.
Hello, Colin. Great to meet you.
I'm so happy.
I know. I know, it's going to be great. Brian's our owner, so the Midas businesses have been in his family for, it's going to be 50 years next year, so we're definitely proud to help you guys out during the holiday season and be part of making it great for you. On behalf of the Midas North Brunswick team and our friends at Advanced Auto Parts, we are proud to offer this fully refurbished Chrysler 200 as part of Midas's Project Spark.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Family Promise. Thank you, Project Spark. Thank you. I'm so happy.
Yeah, no, we're happy for you.
Guys, behind all the tears, there's a lot of joy now. Thank you. And happy Christmas now. Oh my God.
She's on the bus.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Guys, what do you say? Thank you.
Yeah, no, we're happy guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a hug you. Thank you, guys.
Congrats. Don't worry about the camera.
I've been crying so much that you don't know. I've been crying for months and months and months. I lost my car because I lost my home. We've been going from hotel to hotel, on the street to hotel. I'm still in the hotel. This car, I'm like, okay, now I can move because Uber was, when you get an Uber XL, and you're moving them kids.
Yeah.
It's so much.
Yeah.
And you're lugging around things. I had to let go of so much, and that hurt me too.
Brian Beers, BRIANBEERS.
Tell me about what we're doing here today.
Yeah, so we're giving back to the community. We're giving away a car here in North Brunswick, Jersey, and and we're also, it's a grand reopening of our store that we acquired back in April.
Doing something like this, like you said, giving back to the community. How does this make you feel?
It feels awesome. I think that, you know, especially as a business owner, I mean, we're always looking to help people and serve, right? That's kind of why we do what we do. But to be able to see it more than just like fix a car, but to really, you know, try to bring happiness and joy and tears to everyone, you know, it makes you feel really good. We fix cars every day, and to us, it's kind of like no big deal to fix a car, but it really, you know, change someone's life or at least help them get back in the right direction of repairing it. It makes you realize, like, it's not just like what we do every day, but it has a much greater impact. Yeah, I mean, Midas is a national brand. You know, there's 1,000 locations, but every single one of them is locally owned and operated. So, you know, my brother and I own this one. You know, our family's been in the business for many years, and I think that's the really cool thing about kind of this whole partnership is you've got national brand, but then you have local owners who live in the communities, and you know, we're just trying to give back. So.
Just said it perfectly.
Thanks, Brian. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it. So just wrapping up a successful grand reopening here at the store in North Brunswick, New Jersey. It was a lot of fun to give away the car, help someone in need, and celebrate getting the store rolling. It's already off to a great start, having record months, and we're going to continue to grow it. And I'll see you in the next one.